Excuse me, do you have sleep tape?
You mean athletic tape?
No, special tape for your mouth.
For your mouth?
Yes, to wear while sleeping.
Oh, you mean nasal breathing tape?
Exactly. Where is it?
Aisle 4, next to the snoring aids.
Does it really work?
Many customers say it stops snoring.
My wife complains about my snoring.
Then she will love this tape.
Is it safe to use?
Yes, it has small holes for air.
Do I just stick it on?
Yes, right over your lips.
I will take 1 box.
That is $9, please.
Here is a 10.
Your change is $1.
Thank you for your help.
I hope you sleep well tonight.
What on earth are you doing? I cannot understand you. Take that tape off your mouth.
It is mouth taping for better sleep.
Have you lost your mind?
No, this habit will change my life.
It is 4 in the morning.
I know, but it is important.
You look absolutely ridiculous.
I am trying to breathe through my nose.
You scared me half to death.
I am sorry, I didn't mean to.
You can breathe without duct tape.
It is special sleep tape, not duct tape.
Well, your special tape woke me up.
I promise the benefits are huge.
We will talk about this in the morning.
Okay, good night.
Go back to sleep without the tape.
Just 1 more hour with the tape?
No, take it off now.
Fine, you win.
Good morning. The usual large coffee?
Actually, make it an extra large today.
Rough night?
The worst night ever.
Did the neighbor's dog bark all night?
No, my husband taped his mouth shut.
Wait, he did what?
He put tape over his lips.
Was it a joke?
No, it is a new sleep trend.
That sounds terrifying.
I woke up at 4 a.m. and screamed.
I would scream too.
Then he could not breathe properly.
Did he take it off?
Finally, but we both lost sleep.
Here is your extra large coffee.
Thank you. I really need this.
Is he going to do it again?
I hope not.
Good luck tonight.
Keep the change, Leo. Hello, Tom. How is the snoring?
Terrible. I tried the sleep tape.
And how did that go?
I almost suffocated at 2 a.m.
Did you do the breathing exercises first?
Breathing exercises?
You must clear your nose before taping.
I completely skipped that step.
That is why you could not breathe.
Is there a special technique?
Yes, breathing deeply through your nose.
Like this?
Yes, and do not fold your lips inward.
I did that too. It felt awful.
Just place the tape gently in the center.
Not across the whole mouth?
No, just the middle.
I was definitely doing it wrong.
Try it my way tonight.
My wife will think I am crazy again.
Tell her the doctor prescribed it.
Wow, I slept like a baby.
Me too. Night 3 was amazing.
No waking up in the middle of the night.
And you did not snore once.
My mouth feels so fresh this morning.
See? The doctor's advice worked.
I have so much focus today.
This tape really is a game changer.
So the sleep experiment is a success?
Absolutely. A huge success.
I am going to do this every night.
I have to admit, I love it too.
We make a great team.
Only when you listen to the doctor.
Very funny.
Seriously, I feel so rested.
Me too. No more morning coffee needed.
Well, maybe just 1 cup.
Fair enough. Let's get coffee.
Tape off, coffee on.
Delivery for Sarah.
Coming.
I have a large box for you.
Oh, my order finally arrived.
It is very light for a big box.
It is a 6-month supply of tape.
Tape? Like for packing boxes?
No, sleep tape from Sweden.
Sleep tape? I have never heard of that.
It stops mouth breathing and snoring.
Does it really work?
My husband and I sleep perfectly now.
Maybe my wife needs some.
You should tell her about it.
This box comes all the way from Europe.
Yes, it is very high quality.
I need your signature right here.
There you go.
Have a great day with your tape.
Thank you. Stay safe on the road.
Sarah, did you buy more of that sleep tape?
Yes, a 6-month supply. Why?
I just saw the credit card bill online.
It is imported from Sweden.
It is just tape.
It is very high quality tape.
It costs a fortune.
How much was it?
$60 a box.
But it is breathable and hypoallergenic.
We can't spend this much on tape.
It is an investment in our health.
I am going back to breathing normally.
You can't quit now.
It is not worth the hassle or the money.
Wow, you really changed your tune fast.
I will just sleep on my side so I don't snore.
Fine. More tape for me then.
You are going to keep buying it?
Yes, I am a die-hard fan now.
You are crazy.
A well-rested crazy person.
This is so frustrating.
What is wrong?
I can't sleep at all tonight.
Why not?
Because you look like a mummy.
Go to sleep, Tom.
The white tape glows in the dark.
Close your eyes then.
I think I created a monster.
A well-rested monster. Good night.
You sleep so great every night now.
Because of the tape.
But now I can't sleep.
Try sleeping on your side.
I am on my side.
Count sheep.
Well, at least you aren't snoring.
Thank you. Now be quiet.
What weird habit will you try next week?
I'm thinking about ice baths.
Oh no, please no.
Good night, Tom.